forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problems on matrices. Problem number 1. If A equal to this, then prove that A raised to the power n equal to this, where n belong to natural number. We don't know value of n, means this question based on principle of mathematical induction, chapter number 4 of 11th class. First steps. A is given and we have to show n equal to this. So this is our statement, left hand side equal to right hand side. Case first. Let n equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to a raised to the power 1 is equal to a, and right hand side is equal to, putting n equal to 1. So cos 1 into theta, cos theta, sin 1 into theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta, and which is given A, matrix A. So value of left hand side is A and value of right hand side also A. Therefore, for n equal to 1, left hand side is equal to right hand side, means given statement is true. Case second. Let for n equal to k, left hand side equal to right hand side, means given statement is true. That is, replace n by k. So left hand side is a raised to the power k and right hand side is cos k theta minus sin k theta, sin k theta, cos k theta. Give question number 1. Case third. We must prove that for n equal to k plus 1, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. That is, left hand side means a raised to the power k plus 1, right hand side cos k plus 1 theta, sin k plus 1 theta, minus sin k plus 1 theta and cos k plus 1 theta. Now start from left hand side. Left hand side is equal to a to the power k plus 1 is equal to a raised to the power k into a. Now putting value of a raised to power k from equation 1 and value of a from given question. Next step. In place of a to the power k, write this. Cos k theta minus sin k theta, sin k theta, cos k theta into cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta, cos theta. Now multiply. Now multiply these two matrices by row by column. row first matrix into column of second matrix. So row cos k theta sin k theta. And now R1 C1 cos k theta into sin into cos theta, sorry. Then this into this minus sin k theta into sin theta. Now R1 C2 this into this cos k theta into sin theta and plus sin k theta into cos theta. अब now multiply R2 C1. R2 is minus sin k theta and cos k theta. R2 C1 minus sin k theta into cos theta and this into this minus sin theta into cos k theta. Now this into this minus sin k theta into sin theta plus cos k theta into cos theta. अब now apply formula sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b and cos a plus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is formula of cos a plus b, cos k theta plus theta. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is formula of sin k theta plus theta. There are two minus, so minus sign common. In bracket, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So again sin a plus b, k theta plus theta. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a plus b. Theta common in each term. So cos k plus 1 into theta sin k plus 1 into theta minus sin k plus 1 into theta cos k plus 1 into theta, which is equal to right hand side. Therefore pk plus therefore given statement is true for all n belong to n, means natural number. Next problem. Let a equal to this, show that this equal to this, where I is the identity matrix of order 2 and n belong to natural number. Again this question based on principle of mathematical induction. First convert this equation in terms of matrix. So please simplify. ai plus b into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to power n I plus n a n minus 1 into b into matrix A. We can also write this or this. A into identity matrix. Identity matrix means 1 0 0 1 plus b into matrix A. Matrix A means 0 0 1 0 and whole raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power n. Identity matrix means 1 0 0 1 plus n a n minus 1 into b into matrix A. Matrix A is 0 0 0 1. We can also write this matrix in this A into 1, A 0 0 A plus B into this 0 B 0 0 raised to the power n is equal to A raised to power n into 1, A raised to power n 0 0 A raised to the power n plus this into this, so 0 n into A raised to power n minus 1 B 0 0 A plus 0 A 0 plus B B 0 plus 0 0 A plus 0 A. So actual question is this raised to the power n is equal to A raised to the power n A raised to power n minus 1 into B 0 A raised to the power n. Give equation number 1. अब solve this question by principle of mathematical induction. Case first. For n equal to 1, value of left hand side is equal to, put n equal to 1, so we get A 0 B A, and right hand side is equal to, put n equal to 1, A to the power 1 A 1 into A to the power 1 minus 1, A to the power 0 means 1, so only we get B 0 and A to the power 1 A. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, means given statement is true for n equal to 1. Case second. Let for n equal to k. Given statement is true means left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, replace n by k. A 0 B A raised to the power k is equal to A raised to the power k 0 k into A raised to the power k minus 1 into B A to the power k. Give equation number 2. Yes, sir. We must prove that given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Means given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1 means left hand side equal to right hand side. That is, left hand side is A 0 B A and replace n by k plus 1. In equation number 1, write n equal to k plus 1 and A to the power k plus 1 0 k plus 1 A to the power k b and A to the power k plus 1. Now start proof. LH is equal to A 0 B A raised to the power k plus 1. Next step we can write A 0 B A raised to the power k into A 0 B A. Now write value of this from equation number 2. This equal to A to the power k into A to the power k minus 1 into b 0 A to the power k into A B 0 Now multiply this into this. Multiply by row by column C1, C2 and R1. R1 means A to the power k and k A to the power k minus 1 into b. R1 C1 A into this. So a to the power 1 or a to the power k? So a to the power k plus 1. And this into this 0. So plus 0. Now this into this. So a to the power k into b plus this into this. So k a to the power k minus 1 plus 1. So k a to the power k into b. Now take R2. R2 means 0 a to the power k. So this into this 0, 0 plus 0. And this 0 and a into a to the power k plus 1. So a raised to power k plus 1. A into a to the power k means a raised to power k plus 1. Next step is equal to simplify. A to the power k plus 1. A to the power kb or a to the power kb common. So we get 1 plus k into a to the power k into b. 0 plus 0, 0 and 0 plus this a to the power k plus 1. And this is equal to right hand side. So given statement is true for n equal to k plus 1 also. So therefore by principle of mathematical induction PMI, given statement, that is left hand side equal to right hand side, is true for all n belong to natural number. Next problem. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, since A and B are symmetric matrices, therefore transpose of A equal to A and transpose of B equal to B. This is the first line of question. Then show that A be symmetric if and only if A be symmetric. If and only means double implies. A and B commute means A and B are commutative means AB equal to B. So prove this question from both the sides. Start from AB symmetric and prove that this and vice versa. So now proof. Let AB is symmetric implies transpose of AB is equal to AB. And now definition of transpose of product of two matrices B dash A dash is equal to AB. B dash equal to B. A dash equal to A. So AB symmetric implies AB equal to BA. And now start from this. AB equal to BA. Let AB equal to BA. And we have to show AB is symmetric. Means transpose of AB equal to AB. Now therefore transpose of AB is equal to B transpose A transpose. B transpose equal to B and A transpose equal to A. But BA equal to AB is given. B equal to AB. So transpose of AB equal to AB implies AB is symmetric. Hence proved. In next video, we will take more questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.